follow this. This seems good. It's saying prerequisite is Java version. We have Maven version. We have Eclipse or IntelliJ IDEA. We have Cucumber plugin. This one we don't have. So let's add it. So we'll go here. And what was our project? This one, right? Automation Selenium project. This one we used, right? So I will right click. No. You can go to the help and say Eclipse Marketplace, and you can now search for Cucumber. Cucumber. Okay, what we have to do after that? So then you set up the project. This we already have. We have a Maven project, in fact, right? We don't have to touch anything on this, but we'll create a new one. It will be good to create a fresh one for that. And we will copy the old test cases. That we can do. Group ID, project name, okay, all things will do. Then it is saying that it should look like this. Yes, it will look like this. Then it is saying add your Cucumber dependency in POM file. Okay, we will do. They are saying add JUnit. We will do that thing. Don't worry. JUnit is not different from how we use TestNG. No issue. Then scanning ambient clean test you can run just to check whether all the things are fine. Then you should create one directory. It's saying feature file. Okay, we'll follow this and let's see whether it is working or not, right? So going back to the Eclipse Marketplace, here search for Cucumber. Enter. Cucumber Eclipse plugin I have. You may be able to see some new version and you have to install it. For me, it's saying it's installed. You guys have to install it. Okay. So it is an Eclipse plugin for Cucumber. New feature list in the version available from the updated site. Some kind of expression you can add. If I click on the more info, it will tell you all the features, how you have to do it. But technical detail, we don't have to go. I already have. So you should install it in your system. Do it. Then it is saying create a Maven project. Okay. I will create it. So I will say new. Where is new project? New project. New Maven project. Next. Create a simple project archetype. Next. Group ID. You can give any name. So group ID, let's say BDD automation. Okay. And artifact ID. So it's better you give, my bad. So this is small BDD automation artifact ID. Cucumber Selenium automation. This will be our project name basically. Right. That's it. Don't do anything else. Just this part is done. Finish. So you will be able to see one new project will be created for you. This one, Cucumber Selenium automation. This one is done by us. form file. It's a blank one as of now. You have to add something here. Okay. What they are suggesting, once it is done, this new project is created, we add this dependency. Fine. We will add it. What else? Add Cucumber JUnit and JUnit also, right? So get all these things latest. It's better you go to mavenrepository.com and search here Cucumber. Yeah. So what are the things it's saying? One is Cucumber Java. Yes, this one. Then Cucumber JUnit and JUnit. So this is available. Cucumber Java is available. The latest version is 7.14. Okay. Let's have it. Copy and add one tag here, which is dependencies. Inside that, we will be adding this dependency. What are the other dependencies? So we saw that there is one more which is Cucumber JUnit. So it's better, let's search this. Cucumber. And this is the group ID means generally these are the vendor. Okay. So sometimes same thing is available from two different vendor. It's possible. Cucumber JUnit. This artifact was moved to this. So we should click it. So it's saying that it is moved from one place to another place. It seems that this already have JUnit, so you don't have to do anything. And if there is any error, we will do it, right? But okay, let me save this. We'll see if it is required. We will add more dependencies. It seems like they're saying it's already there here. Right? If you will read more about it, maybe you will get it. But let's search it again. So we want to search Cucumber JUnit. When I did a search, JUnit is available separately, but and JUnit 4 is there. Maybe last release is this. Okay, let me click here. But that will be for the specific version of JUnit part. Okay, let's add it. If it is not required, we will delete it. Not a big deal. You can delete anytime, any dependency. Done. And let's follow this. It's saying that okay, you have this. Run ambient clean test just to see, just to add the dependency basically. But that is not required. If you actually want to do, maybe you can do it, but it's not required. So what it is saying, go to the command prompt for that particular project location and say ambient, what is the command? Ambient clean test. There is no test available there, but it still run this. It's saying, okay, we will run it as it is saying ambient clean test. Done. It's saying build success. So nothing, no error has come. Okay. Then specifying expected behavior. So you have to add a feature file. So it is saying that features are defined in dot feature files, which are stored in source test resource directory. So it's better in the source test resource, create a folder feature. So let's go here. Source test resource, create a folder here, and give it a name, feature or features. Let's give it features. Means all the requirement will be there. Finish. Here you will add feature files. Okay. And the extension will be dot feature. extension will be dot feature. Done. In the test folder, create a new directory called resources, which is already there. Right click, mark. Okay, you can mark any folder as test resource root also. Not required. You can add subdirectories. That's fine. It's saying it should be like this. Source main Java, source main resource, source test Java, source test resource. That's fine. Now creating a file. So it's saying in this folder, create a new feature file. We'll create it. So it's saying that do this thing. Okay, we'll create our feature file. So here we'll say right click, new. Okay, when we click other, does this give me? Yes, it's saying me you can create a step definition class. No, I don't want to create this. I want to create feature file. It is not showing me any option. Cancel it. Okay. I will right click and say new file. And I will say login dot feature. Finish. See here, automatically when you say login dot feature, this will give me this like a basic feature file on its own. I don't have to do anything. And it will help you on a lot of things. And hash means comment. Hash means comment. Let's understand one by one. What is this? Author. Okay, your author. Keywords. What are the things you are using? Feature means different scenarios which you want to add, which is for us, it's basically checking on the login page. Scenarios, a particular business rule. Given when, then we talked about it. Scenario outline is exact scenario, what it is. Exact test description, in other ways. Example is the test data. Background, list of steps run before each of the scenario. It's like before method. Okay. It's like if you want to run something before the scenario, then use background. Rest of the things we will talk about later on. So this is a basic sample example it is giving you, right? Tag means you can tag it that this is my smoke test case. So I can write here, let's say this is my regression test case. Regression. Feature. What is my feature? Feature is it's validate login for user. Okay, that's it. I'll delete this line. This is my feature. In regression, you can have another tag also, but I don't want to give. So it's fine. In regression, again, you can say login related regression and all. As of now, I'm deleting it. I don't want this. See, mandatory thing we will do. Mandatory thing will do. Otherwise, we will not use it. Scenario. What is my first scenario? My first scenario is sorry. My first scenario is uh, so this is verify error. Why I'm not able to change? So that is verify error message when invalid credential is used, right? Something like this. Given when, then is same what we wanted to write. So let me copy it from here. We have already written it, right? something similar. It's this. Let's copy this. And instead of this, or yeah. So this, see here, it is already like highlighted when you use given, when, then. Given and means you want to continue with the when part. There are multiple steps. Done. And if you want to use test data, then we will talk about it later on. So let me delete this. That's it. So this is the way you write your feature file now. Okay, this is the way you write your feature file. How simple it is. Every steps will have corresponding code step definition. Okay, that's the basic requirement here. If I'll show this to you, feature files will connect to the step definition. So tomorrow we will understand about the step definition part. Rest of the Selenium code will be same. No difference. These two layers are added. And I'll talk about why these two layers will be helpful. That's it for today.